This Carpenter Realtors property video is presented by Vicky Peters CRB, CRS, GRI. Move-in ready with open floor plan. Living room plus family room plus upper level loft offers lots of living space. Kitchen includes all appliances, center island and new custom-made shaker-style cabinet fronts. Check out the shiplap wall with custom built-ins and electric fireplace. Breakfast nook area overlooks rear patio and fenced yard. Did I mention this home comes with a 3-car garage, hard to find in this price range. Master bedroom with huge walk-in closet, ensuite bath with double vanity and tub/shower combo. Laundry room on upper level 2. Located on Cul-de-sac Street, close to neighborhood playground, close to Hendricks County 4-H fairgrounds and bonus location of being on the east side of Danville. For more information, review the details below.